Okay, hey guys, so here are some examples, something that looks a lot like what you are doing this week. So Anika biked 37 kilometers this morning and another X kilometers in the evening. Okay, and so what we always need to think about is, are we adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Okay, and so I'm looking at this word and right there, which tells me that that's going to be addition. So I'm going to add here. And so I'm thinking that this is going to be 37 plus our variable, which represents an unknown amount. Okay, and so let's see if I'm correct. So 37 plus x. Let's check that. Whoop, whoop. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, Ethan rollerbladed a total of 623 kilometers over D days. So in this is going to stand for an unknown number of days. Okay, and so he rollerbladed the same distance each day. And so some keywords that I'm looking at here is same and each. Okay, when I'm thinking of same and each, I'm thinking of breaking these things up evenly. I'm breaking up so each day has the same amount. And so to me, that sounds like that would be division. So maybe 623 divided by D, because the question is asking how many kilometers did he rollerblade each day. So if we know the total, we now want to break this up into parts. And so since I'm breaking it up into parts, that sounds like division to me. So let's see what happens. So 623, and then on the bottom for an unknown number of days. Oh, yay. Okay. So Michelle used a $20 bill to pay for a notebook that only cost P dollars. How much change did she receive from the cashier? So when I think of change, okay, I think of difference. And the way that I always think about that is like if I change my clothes, whatever outfit that I'm wearing now, and then whenever I go and change and I come back and somebody sees me in a different outfit, that's what they're going to see, is they're going to see the difference between the clothes, and that's how they know that I've changed. It's a really weird way to think about it, but that's just the way that I think about when I see the word change in a math problem, to let me know that that means difference. Okay, and so she's going to give this man the $20. And he's going to give her back the difference between the cost of that notebook and the $20 that she gave him. Okay, so I'm thinking 20 minus, what letter did they let us use? P. So let's check it. I'm nervous. Oh, yay, I got it right. Okay, so let's go to the next question. So Gretchen is setting up for a banquet. She has 300 chairs and needs to distribute them evenly. So what operation do you think distributing evenly is? Division. Okay, the other thing that I always look for division is sometimes they give us that total first. If they're already giving us that total, man, that's kind of a hint to me that the work has already been done. I'm kind of working backwards. And so to me, division is kind of one of those things where I feel like I'm working backwards. I'm undoing some math. All right, so if there were 300 chairs there and I want to break them up evenly so that each table has the same amount of chairs, I need to know how many tables I have. So I'm going to break those up. So let's see if this works. Maybe you're starting to see a pattern here, which is what I hope. And then T for tables. Yay. Okay, let's do maybe one more. Sebastian has 12 more 12 more trophies than Megan. Megan has T trophies. more? I'm looking for those key words. So it tells me if I'm adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. What do you think more? What operation is more? Adding. So he has 12 more than her number of trophies. I hate when the plus sign and there's a T in there. It gets a little confusing, doesn't it? All right, so 12 plus T. All right, so hopefully this helps you with some of the questions that you guys are doing this week. Kind of get that hint in there. The only ones that I would really think that are going to be difficult is if they have subtraction or division. Let me see if, okay, so this right here. Okay, here's an example of when this is going to be division. Okay, they gave us the total and they're asking how much each would be. So I just want to let you guys know that there is a difference between these two things. Okay, this one I'm taking the total and I'm breaking it up by number of tickets. And then here I'm taking, an unknown number of tickets and I'm breaking that up into 324 pieces. Okay, and so I'm taking one ticket, maybe I'll just have one ticket and I have 324 friends, and I'm going to break that ticket up into 324 little pieces, and then each one of my friends gets one of those and that gets them into the concert. And that doesn't make any sense at all. So not this one. Oops, my pen is starting to die. Okay, this one right here shows I'm taking that total, taking 324, and I want to know how much is in each, how many each tickets, or how much it costs for each ticket. So make sure with division and subtraction that the order is correct. Order does matter for those two. For multiplication and addition, it does not matter, okay? But for division and subtraction, it does. So definitely watch for that, because that might be one of the hiccups. That might be an answer choice that they try to get you with.